In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Code of the Lamb online. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In one of the more recent updates for Code of the Lamb, multiplayer was introduced. The Unholy Alliance update introduced the option for you to connect an additional controller or keyboard and mouse to your PC or console and play with a friend. Now, can you do this process online? If you try to open up any menus, you will not be able to find the option to invite them via your friends list. So basically, it doesn't feature online co-op. However, there is a workaround to this. For this specific workaround, you will need to be playing Code of the Lamb through Steam, so keep that in mind. You will only be able to attempt this if you are playing on Steam. And through this method, there might be a lot of input lag because sadly, this is a workaround, like I mentioned. So for this, we will need to use Steam Remote Play. Steam Remote Plays allows you to invite a friend online and it is going to try to simulate the option to do local co-op. So essentially, it's like if they had a controller connected on your PC. So open Steam, your friend and yourself have to go online, launch the game, and then press Shift plus Tab. When you press Shift plus Tab or you open your Steam friends list, you will be able to find the option to right-click them and invite to remote play, or you can access the remote play menu directly. In there, you can invite them, and once they are in the remote play menu, you just have to start. As long as they connected properly to the menu, whenever they press something on their keyboard or their controller, the input is gonna get transferred over to your PC and your gameplay of Code of the Lamb. So essentially, like I mentioned, it's like if they had a controller or keyboard connected to your PC. So you can just do local co-op, but it is going to be done online through Steam. You will experience input lag because this isn't optimized, but it's still a way to do it online. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Code of the Lamb online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.